Hello friends, you are watching ISC Mathematics and we are solving exercise 5A of chapter number 5 quadratic equations. Before we move further, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel ISC Mathematics if you have not subscribed yet. Please like and share my videos as well. Okay, now in the last class the last question which we solved was question number 25. So let us start question number 26 onwards today. Okay, question number 26. It is 10x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Okay, let us simplify taking LCM. 10x square minus 1 upon x is equals to 3. Therefore 10x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Transpose 3x on the left side, so 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to factorize. 10 can be written as 5 2s and this is 1 1s. Now we will find out two numbers by grouping the factors such that the difference is 3. So obviously 5 1s are 5 and 2 1s are 2. So we have two numbers. Yes or no? 5 and 2. 5x 2x minus 5x plus 2x we can put. Okay, so therefore 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, now we will take 5x common. So 2x minus 1 plus 1 common. Therefore 5x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. Therefore okay, 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 and therefore x is equals to minus 1 upon 5 or x is equals to 1 by 2 and therefore solution set is minus 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Clear? So question number 26 is over. Now let us start the next question, that is question number 27. Okay, now question number 27 is okay, in question number 27 it is given 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square equals 0. A is not equal to 0. Okay, we have to factorize. So let us factorize. Now this can be factorized as here 3 1s are and 4 as 2 2s are. Yes or no? Now we want the sum to be 8. Yes or no? We want the sum to be 8. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So we have 3 twos are and 2 ones are 2. Okay, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, again the coefficients are, remember that ABX. So 3 a square x square plus 6 ABX plus 2 ABX plus 4b square is equal to 0. Now we can take common. Okay, so here from here 3ax can be taken common. Okay, so what is left? Ax plus 2b. Okay, plus 2b, if you take common again, ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Therefore 3ax plus 2b into ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Therefore 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0, or ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 2b upon 3a, or x is equals to minus 2b upon a, and therefore solution set is minus 2b upon 3a comma minus 2b upon a. Clear? So this was question number 27. Okay, now let us solve question number 28. Okay, 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Here a and b are real numbers. Okay, we have to factorize. So we will factorize, not a problem. Therefore 4x square minus 4ax, let us open the bracket. Clear? Now we can write in this manner. Okay, now if you notice, the first trinomial is a perfect square polynomial. Clear? So this can be written as 2x minus a the whole square, because the expansion of 2x minus a the whole square is 4x square minus 4ax plus a square, and b square can be written as minus b the whole square. Okay, now the first bracket you consider to be a and this is b, so a square minus b square, we can apply difference of square formula, and therefore 2x minus a minus b and 2x minus a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus a minus b is equal to 0, or 2x minus a, therefore 2x is equals to a plus b, or 2x is equal to a minus b, and therefore x is equal to a plus b upon 2, or x is equals to a minus b upon 2. So the solution set is a plus b upon 2 comma a minus b upon 2. Okay, so question number 28 is also over. Now let us solve question number. Now I think that 29 and 30 are both easy. Let me solve any one. Let me solve question number 29 and you try 30 yourself. Okay, question number 29. 5x square minus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, when x belongs to I, and second when x belongs to Q, set of real numbers. So the given quadratic equation is 5x square minus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, 5 can be 5 is 5 ones are, and this is 3 3s are 9. Now 15 minus 3, 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? And 3 into 1 is equals to 3. The difference will give you 12. Clear? So we have two factors, 15x and 3x. Now let us adjust the two factors. Okay, so 5x square minus 15x plus 3x minus 9. Okay, now we will take 5x common. X minus 3 plus 3 you can take common. Okay, now x minus 3 bracket is common. So what is left? 5x plus 3 into x minus 3. Therefore 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or x is equal to 3. Therefore solution set is minus 3 upon 5, comma, clear? Okay, so we are done with question number 29. Now actually here solution set, two options are given, so accordingly we will write down. Number 1, now when x belongs to I, solution set will be obviously 3 because 3 is an integer. And number 2, when x belongs to Q, okay, solution set will be both minus 3, 5 and 3 because both are rational numbers. Clear? So question number 29 is also over. Okay, so you will try 30 yourself. I am starting now question number 31. Okay, now let us start question number 31. Root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to factorize. Now this can be written as root 3 into 1, and here you can write this as 2 into 3 into root 3. Okay, now let us make pairs. Okay, we want 11, so root 3 into 3 is equals to 9, and 2 ones are 2 is equals to 2. So we have two numbers, yes or no? One is a group of these three numbers, root 3, 3 and root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3, 3 3s are 9. And another number is 2 ones are 2. So 9x plus 2x, 11x. Okay, so therefore root 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Now we can take from here root 3x common. Yes or no? So let us take root 3x common. So what is left? The leftover is x plus, okay, now 9. This is 9. Yes or no? Root 3 into root 3 into 3. So out of this you have taken root 3 common. So you are left with 3 root 3. So in bracket we will write over here 3 root 3 plus from the second bracket take 2 common. So x plus 3 root 3. Clear? And therefore root 3x plus 2 into x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3, or x is equal to minus 3 root 3. Therefore solution set is minus 2 upon root 3 comma minus 3 root 3. This is 31st. Similarly we can solve 32nd and 33rd also. Let us solve 32nd number now. Okay, 2 root 5 x square minus 3x minus root 5 is equal to 0. Okay, here 2 into root 5 and this is root 5, 1 are root 5. Okay, so the two numbers will be root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5 and 2 1s are 2, and difference 5 minus 2 will be 3. Clear? So 5x and 2x we can write. So 2 root 5x square minus 5x plus 2x minus root 5 is equal to 0. Now taking common. Okay, from the first two terms we can take root 5x common. Yes or no? From 5 if you take root 5 common, root 5 is left. So root 5x if you take common, 2x minus root 5 plus 1, 2x minus root 5, and therefore 2x minus root 5 and root 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus root 5 is equal to 0, or root 5x plus 1. Therefore x is equal to root 5 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 1 upon root 5, and therefore the solution set Okay, now let us solve question number 33. Okay, now 33. X square minus 1 plus root 2x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now therefore x square minus, let me open the bracket, x minus root 2x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Yes or no? X is multiplied with the two terms. Now you can make pairs and take common. So x common, x minus 1 minus root 2 common. Okay, and therefore x minus 1 is common, x minus root 2 in another bracket. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1 or x is equals to root 2. Therefore solution set is 1 root. Clear? So question number 33 is done. Now we will solve question number 34. Okay, we have x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 7, 2x minus 5. Okay, we will simplify this equation, yes or no, and convert into the standard form of quadratic equation. So x plus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 1 into 3x minus 7. Therefore 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x square minus 7x minus 3x plus 7. Okay, now this like terms we can solve, yes or no? Therefore 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 7. Therefore 2x square minus 3x square minus 3x plus 10x minus 5 minus 7 is equals 0. Therefore minus x square plus 7x minus 12 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 12. Okay, now we can find two factors. 4 3s are, yes or no? So x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 4 minus 3 common, therefore x minus 4 into x minus 3, therefore x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equals to 4 or x is equal to 3. So question number 34 is also over. Okay, so question number 35 is similar. You can simplify yourself and find out the answer. Let me solve question number 36 now. So question number 36 I will solve. 5 upon 2x plus 1 plus 6 upon x plus 1 is equal to 3. Let us simplify this equation. Okay, so 2x plus 1 into x plus 1, 5 into x plus 1 plus 6 into 2x plus 1, therefore 5x plus 5 plus 12x plus 6 is equals to 3 into, or let me write down over here only, 2x square plus 2x plus x, 3x plus 1, yes or no? Okay, therefore 12 plus 5, 17x plus 11 is equals to 3 into 2x square plus 3x plus 1, therefore 17x okay, so here 17x plus it is 11, okay, and 6x square plus 9 plus 3, okay, done. Now let us transpose these all the numbers on the left side. So minus 6x square plus 17x minus 9x plus 11 minus 3 equals 0. Therefore minus 6x square plus 10x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, now you can further take minus 2 common, yes or no? So minus 2 if you take common, we are left with 3x square minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? And minus, okay, so now you can write the equation as 3x square minus 5x minus 4. Now let us factorize 3 ones and 2 twos. So we want the difference to be 5. Yes or no? What? I think here 17 minus 10. 17 minus, okay, this is the mistake actually here. 8 will come. So let us correct this. Okay, and then we can write 4. Okay, so now 6 and 2. So 3 ones are 3 and 2, 3 twos are 6 and 2 ones are 2. So 6x and 2x. Clear? So 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x common, x minus 2 plus 2 common. Therefore x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And therefore we can write down over here the final answer. X is equals to 2 minus 2 by 3, and therefore solution set will be 2 comma minus 2 upon 3. This is question number 36. 2 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now let me solve 37. Okay. So question number 37 is 2x upon x minus 4 plus 2x minus 5 upon x minus 3 is equals to 25 upon 3. Okay, now let us take LCM and simplify. So x minus 4 into x minus 3, 2x into x minus 3 plus x minus 4 into 2x minus 5 is equals to 25 upon 3. Okay, so here 2x square minus 6x plus 2x square minus 5 minus 8 minus 13x plus 20 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 25 upon 3. Okay, now let us solve the like terms. 2x square plus 2x square, 4x square minus 19x plus 20 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 25 upon 3. Now we will cross multiply. So 12x square 57x plus 60 equals 25x square 175x plus 300. Okay, let us transpose the terms on the right side on the left side, and therefore 12x square minus 25x square minus 57x plus 175x plus 60 minus 300 is equal to 0, minus 13x square Okay, so we have minus 57 118 plus 118x and minus 240 is equal to 0, and therefore 13x square minus 118x plus 240 is equal to 0. Okay, on simplification we are getting such an equation. Okay, now we need to factorize. Okay, so just go through all the steps, then we will factorize over here. Okay, now 13 is 13 only, 13 only, 240 215 3 5 okay, 15 15 13 6 78 plus 40. Yes, so 78 40 is yes or no? Because on factorization 240 you will get these numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and we have 13. One more number 13, so making pairs in this way. 13 into 2 3 are 6. Okay, that is number 1. 13 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 40, and if you add the two numbers you will get 118, and therefore 13x square minus 78x minus 40x plus 240 is equal to 0. Therefore 13x taking common, x minus 6 minus 40 x minus 6, therefore x minus 6 into 13x minus 40, therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 13x minus 40, therefore x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 40 upon 13. Therefore solution set is 6 comma 40 by 13. Okay, so question number 37 is also over. 640 upon 13. Yes. So now I will leave one more question for you. That is question number let me complete question number 38. Yes or no? And then 39 you can try yourself. Then 40 onwards I will do. So question number 38. Okay, we are given x plus 3 minus x plus x square plus 2 minus 2x upon x square minus 2x is equal to 17 upon 4. X square plus x square we can write 2x square 3x plus minus will get cancelled, so we are left with plus 2 only upon x square minus. Now let us cross multiply and further simplify. So 4 2s are 8x square plus 8 is equal to 17x square minus 34x. Therefore 8x square minus 17x square plus 34x plus 8 is equal to 0, minus 9x square plus 34x plus 8. Therefore taking minus 1 common, 9x square minus 34 minus 8. Now 9 is 3 3s are and 2 into 2 into 2. 9 4s are 32. Yes or no? So 3 numbers will be like 3 3 2 2. Okay. 9 4s are 36 and 2 1s are 2. 36 minus 2 we will get 34. So we have two factors, 36x and 2x, and therefore 9x square minus it is x. Okay, 36x plus 2x minus 8. 9x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4 equals 0. Just go through all the steps. Okay, now x minus 4 into 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 4 equals 0 or 9x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore x is equals 4 or x equals minus 2 upon 9. Therefore solution set is 4 comma minus 2 upon 9. Okay, this is the solution set and the end of question number 38. 4 minus 2 upon 9. Okay, so today we started with writing question number 26. So almost 13 questions including 26 we have completed. Yes or no? In the next video we will move further from 39. You will try yourself. Question number 40 onwards I will solve. Okay, so after that 5b and then we have 5c, nature of roots. So two more exercises are left in this chapter. After this completion of this exercise, yes. Okay, so see you in the next video. One more thing, in the last video in question number 5 I did a mistake. The mistake was we had to factorize. The question was like this: x square minus x minus 156, I think. Let me check. Yes, x square minus x minus 156. So by mistake I wrote the two factors to be 11 12 but it is actually 13 12 156. Okay, so we are going to write this like this: x square minus 13x plus 12x minus 156. Okay, therefore x, taking common x, minus 13 plus 12, and therefore x minus 13, and therefore x is equal to 13 or x is equal to. So this is the correct answer. If not corrected yet, please do this correction. Question number 5 of exercise 5A. Clear? Take care. Thank you very much.